In this video, I will show you if the Ivyever electric massage comb is actually a game changer for your hair care routine or just another viral gimmick. We have all seen those sleek tools popping up on social media promising to promote hair growth and reduce stress, but this specific device claims to do much more. It integrates red light therapy and gentle micro vibrations to stimulate the scalp effectively. When you first hold it, the build quality feels surprisingly premium with a comfortable grip that makes the daily ritual feel like a spa experience. The soft silicone bristles feel amazing against the skin, and unlike traditional plastic combs, they do not tug or pull on delicate strands. One of the standout features is the liquid tank where you can add your favorite hair oils or serums. The comb then evenly distributes the treatment right to the roots while massaging, which helps with better absorption and prevents greasy buildup on the hair shafts. After using it for a few weeks, I noticed my scalp felt less tense, and the overall health of my hair seemed improved. It is rechargeable via USB, and the battery life is quite impressive for such a compact tool. Whether you are dealing with thinning hair or just want a relaxing evening massage, it is definitely worth a look.